The summertime is coming. I'm trying to go on vacation. My birthday's coming. For you to shape your eyes. They're supposed to like give you perfect eyebrows in like seconds. Like I have outfits in my mind. Like I sleep and think and dream fashion. Hey YouTube, my name is Kharyzma and my channel is Kharyzma for you, and I do videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything else. So today I have a PR unboxing for you guys. I'm super excited. So let's just get right into it. For some of you who don't know, I am an influencer and content creator. I started doing content creation and influencing really more seriously last year, 2022, and now it's 2023, and more brands are reaching out to me, and I'm just super excited. Now, most of the brands pay me, but some of them still do what's called gifting collabs. And you know, I take those very rarely. If it's something that I want to buy and I was already going to buy, or something that I really like and would most likely spend money on, and the brand does not want to pay me for whatever the reasons are. Sometimes they want you to have much more subscribers before you pay, and my channel is still growing. And so if it's something that I would have already purchased, then I will do the gifting collab, and then 9 out of 10 times they'll come back and then decide to pay me. But for a lot of other brands, and I'm just putting that out there in case they're watching, they try to come to me, lowball me, and it's products that I really wouldn't use or wouldn't, you know, I wasn't gonna buy it anyway, but they are like, I need you to do this. You have to pay me because it's taking time away from the brands that are paying me for me to try to help you promote your product. So if you believe in your product and you believe in me as a content creator, you will pay me. So most of these are paid collabs. And then I have some gifting, but I'll do a separate video on that. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, please be sure to like the video. You can do that right now. Like this video because I'm not going to disappoint you. I don't like when people watch and then they don't like. I have all these views and then like a little bit of likes. Come on now, let's get to 10K. We're almost there. Okay, let's start off with this one. This is a company from Amazon that reached out to me, and they are paying me. Thank you. And these are for some earrings, and I'm gonna put the link on Amazon for these earrings. I'm gonna get down on it. It's easier that way. This is it right here. I know you can't see it because of all the light, but in fact, as soon as I'm done this video, I have to put them on, take pictures, do video, and do a review. This is what they're looking like. These are some rose earrings in gold. I know my ring light is making them look so sparkly, but they're super pretty. And I'm not gonna take them off. I mean, I'm not gonna put them on because it's gonna take up too much camera time, but that's the first one. These are really pretty. I cannot wait to do the review for these. Okay, so next up is a company called Neom Organics London, and they sent me some. This is for body and pillow. It says Perfect Night Sleep Mist, and it has English lavender, chamomile, and patchouli, which are all fragrances that I love. Matter of fact, let's take it out now. I'm gonna do a separate video for some of these products here so that you can see them more in depth, but I'm just showing you some of the PR packages that I have, and you can spray this like a pillow mist. Oh my gosh, okay, let me do it. I didn't know you could do it as a body mist. Yeah, I do. It smells so good. See, I have sensitive skin, so this smells so good. It's like a nice, calming, relaxing smell. But I will do a video because I'm past due for a video for my fragrances. I have some stuff that I got for Christmas still, guys. Christmas that I still have not reviewed for you guys, but they are coming. So this is Neom, and they're really good. I will do a separate video for them. I have not gotten a chance to get to this yet. This is Eye Method Beauty. They're perfect eyebrows in seconds, and it's basically a stencil kit and stuff like that. I'll show you it really quickly, but I'm not gonna demo it. And it has like the brow brush and spoolie and stencils for you to shape your eyes. They're supposed to like give you perfect eyebrows in like seconds, like the box says. So yeah, I'm past due to do a review on it. And yeah, sometimes the companies send you this stuff as gifts and you don't have to do a review, and I'll get to it when I get to it. But for those of you who are companies watching me out there who want to get your products reviewed quickly and efficiently, you have to pay me and just email me and I will send you my media kit with my rates so that you can get your products reviewed quickly. Because this is boob tape. Like, you know, sometimes when you wear like backless dresses, but you cannot wear a bra with those dresses, so you need to have boob tape to wear it. I'm gonna do a separate video demoing this, but this is the company. You can see it right there, and yeah, this is boob tape to like keep your, you know, private areas covered and then lifted so that you can wear like your backless outfits and stuff. Next up is a company called Atlanta Shoe Studio, and I love them. I purchased some sneakers from them and I'm going to be doing a review on those really soon. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably already seen them, but this is their information right here. And when I did the Instagram reel for them, because I love the sneakers so much, they was like, thank you, I'm gonna send you a free pair of a free gift. So this is the free gift that they sent me, and I'm gonna do a separate video on this, trying them on and everything, but this is just to show you what it was. They sent me some slides. Summertime is coming. They sent me some yellow slides. Now, I wouldn't normally pick this color or this style, but I'm happy to try new things. That's what it's all about. They're a little bigger than what I need, but you know, I'll make it work. I can take these to the pool and stuff. Like, I can wear these to the pool rather, or whatever. But yeah, I thought that was really cool, and thank you so much. I will be doing a review on the sneakers and these slides as well in a separate video. So next up, I have packages from Halara. You guys know I love Halara, and part of what they sent me I'm wearing already, which is this bra top right here. This is a halter. These joggers, these are cargo joggers that I have on, and I have a video on this outfit it's in my Halara jeans video, so definitely check it out because I put it up and not a lot of you watched that video. If you guys like jeans, and I have some other things in that video, definitely check it out because I have a special discount code. If you use my code Kharyzma, you will get 20% off of Halara, and their sizes are from extra small to 4X, so you will not be disappointed. They have something for everyone. So this is another halter. It's a long sleeve halter, and it has like this closure at the front like that. It snaps in the front, and as you can see right there, and then the halter at the top, long sleeves, thumb holes. But yeah, this is just me showing it to you. This is not a try on, so check out the try on video. But they sent me these jeans, and I got paid for this as well. They sent me these jeans, and their jeans are very stretchy. I got these jeans. I got the same ones in black. And then I got light wash jeans and some flares. These are all stretchy too, so they're really, really comfortable. These are the flares. Again, check out my Halara jeans video because I did a try on haul of all of these jeans, but I just wanted to show you. This package is from Halara as well, so I'm a Halara ambassador. In their ambassador program, which is separate from the creating content, they send me free things that I don't even have to do videos of. They just send it to me because I post on Instagram and TikTok and stuff like that. So I'm always so excited to get my packages from Halara. I got 3 free items, and this is their card right here. So let me show you the first free gift I got. I got this bikini top. Cause summertime is coming. I'm trying to go on vacation. My birthday's coming. I'm gonna be by the pool when I travel and stuff like that. And yeah, this is, I think it's hot pink. It looks like hot pink. I got it in a size medium, And yeah, this is just a halter bikini top. I thought it came with bottoms, but that's okay. I think I'm gonna find a cute little skirt or some bikini bottoms to match these, but I'm so excited. And you guys, this is a tennis dress. Look at the color. Look at the color purple. I cannot wait to do the try on for you all. Look at this purple. I don't have that many purple items in my closet, so I'm so excited to receive this. And this is how the back looks. The straps are adjustable and it has shorts under, like it's attached, like a onesie is under it. So, and the onesie has pockets. So that's why I like their clothing. They make athleisure wear, athletic wear. You can wear this to the gym, lounging, to play tennis, dance, any type of physical fitness. You can wear this. And guys, there's a company that's sponsoring me for some sneakers, and they're gonna be purple sneakers. So just look out for that video. That's why I said subscribe, hit the notification bell, because I have videos coming for you guys. I have outfits in my mind. Like, I sleep and think and dream fashion. For those of you who watch me for my sewing tutorials, I am a fashion designer. I sew, I can do all that, but I took some time off from that to work on other ventures, other business ventures, other things like that. But those tutorials will be coming back really, really soon. I'm gonna be doing the DIYs, and then I'll be modeling my outfits that I design, and I'm gonna do a separate video on that so you guys can see, because I wanna teach you how to make your own clothes. That's what I used to do. If you look at my playlist, you'll see that I used to do so many DIYs. And I've helped so many people around the world learn how to make clothes. So if you're interested in that, definitely subscribe and stay tuned. So the next one up is this outfit. Now this is a lot of material. This is basically, like, you see the strings are here. Maybe I can. And then this part is right here, and I think you're able to wear this as a dress and wrap pants. I'm gonna do that in the try-on. This is not a try-on, but you get the gist of it. These are so cool because they're long all the way to the bottom, and it's a wraparound, and you can also wear it as a dress. So I'm not gonna be able to show it to you in the video, but you kind of get the idea. I know if you love fashion, you know what I'm talking about, like those long dresses, wrap pants that look like a skirt, but they're pants, and they can also serve as a dress. That's what this is, and I got it in a size small. I'm super excited. Like, look at these gifts, like, seriously. And as an influencer or content creator, like, you get the products for free, and you get paid for promoting the products or creating content for the product. So and they send it to you, you were gonna buy it anyway, but now you're getting paid to buy. You don't have to spend your own money. Like, seriously. Yeah, maybe I'll do a separate video on that, but if you want to learn more about that, just check out my day in the life of a content creator playlist, and that will show you more. So that's it for my PR haul. Please give this video a like and share the video with someone you know who would love this type of content. Also, use my discount code Kharyzma so that you can get 20% off of Halara, who goes from sizes extra small to 4X. My lip gloss, check out kharyzmaforyou.com, and for my lip gloss, Instagram is kharyzmaforyou fashion. All the links will be in the description. You guys, I love you all so much. Thank you.